Welcome to our YouTube video about the Chainlink whitepaper for beginners. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that enables smart contracts to securely access off-chain data and other services. This whitepaper is an essential guide to understanding Chainlink's unique solution to this problem. In this video, we'll discuss the top 10 most important points from the Chainlink whitepaper that you need to know. We'll explain the value of using oracles to bring real-world data into smart contracts, the key components of the Chainlink network, and its security features. We'll also discuss the economics of the Chainlink network and its potential applications. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the value of using oracles to bring real-world data into smart contracts. The goal of Chainlink is to bridge the gap between the on-chain and off-chain worlds. By using oracles, smart contracts can access data from external sources and execute transactions based on that data. This makes it possible to create self-executing contracts that are triggered by external events. Next, we'll discuss the key components of the Chainlink network. This includes the Oracle nodes, the network nodes, and the data sources. Oracle nodes are responsible for collecting and verifying data from external sources. Network nodes are responsible for processing data requests and connecting users to the Oracle nodes. Finally, the data sources are the external sources that provide the data that the oracles need. Third, we'll discuss the security features of the Chainlink network. Chainlink uses a decentralized architecture to ensure the security and reliability of the data it provides. This includes a consensus mechanism to ensure that the data is accurate and a secure payment system to ensure that the Oracle nodes are compensated for their work. Fourth, we'll discuss the economic model of the Chainlink network. The network uses a token system to incentivize the Oracle nodes to provide reliable data. This incentivizes nodes to compete to provide the best data and ensures that the network is secure and reliable. Fifth, we'll discuss the potential applications of the Chainlink network. Chainlink's oracles can be used to connect smart contracts to a wide range of external data sources, from stock prices to weather data. This makes it possible to create complex and powerful smart contracts that can execute transactions based on external events. Sixth, we'll discuss the privacy features of the Chainlink network. Chainlink's oracles are designed to be privacy-preserving. This means that users can access the data they need without revealing their identity. Seventh, we'll discuss the scalability features of the Chainlink network. The network is designed to be able to handle a large number of requests and transactions. This ensures that the network can keep up with demand and remain reliable. Eighth, we'll discuss the development tools available for the Chainlink network. Chainlink provides developers with a range of tools and libraries to make it easier to build applications on the network. Ninth, we'll discuss the governance model of the Chainlink network. Chainlink is an open-source project, and the network is governed by a decentralized community of developers and users. This ensures that the network remains secure and reliable. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions about investing in the cryptocurrency market. Thanks for watching.